Hello and welcome. Today we are going to analyze the market for you. Starting off with the most important coin, which is the BTC. As you can totally see, on the 4 hours time frame, we have been on a downtrend for a while, since the 5th of January, more than a month. It has been more than a month since we have been forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, which is a downtrend. Until this day, we have recently started forming a large movement to the upside, broken from above of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement of this large wave, and we have formed a strong rally from above it, which shows that even though there was a strong level of resistance, there is a very strong bullish momentum over here gathering above of that still, which shows that there is something going on with the market. It's not about the technical. The technical part already says that there is something. It's either we have filled an important level which is full of liquidity, which will reverse to the upside, or there is something going on. And the reality is that there is actually something going on, which is a part of the news. As you know, the former president Donald J. Trump has been shot in the ear and survived. And as you know, Donald J. Trump is pro-Bitcoin and is to be elected for 2024 election. And if he does manage to become the president, we will see a large movement to the upside during that beginning. Before the elections, people will already start building up the hype because he's the most predicted elector to be pronounced as President of the United States during the end of the year. And that means that he will make projects happen that are related to Bitcoin. You supporters know that he is pro-Bitcoin, and there are many things that are going to happen. Even if not, he has given his words, and people, aka the traders, will invest anyway because of the hype. So, as you know, things has been going good for the crypto market within the last couple of months. We've had the BTC ETF hype, and we've had big companies trading the ETF such as BlackRock, etc. And recently, we are having the Ethereum ETF. Crypto is actually becoming more legalized and safer to invest in, which is something very great for the midterm and the long-term run. Except that for recently we have started having a correction to the downside because the market doesn't only go up. A correction is always necessary, which we're currently having over here. So the best thing to do is not to panic and not to buy randomly from a low level. We are just looking for patterns from the history, because the history repeats itself. We could notice that recently Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame has been forming a downtrend until the news, the bullish news that happened because of Donald J. Trump. We see that we have retested the 0.618 of the previous wave, and we have broken from above it with a very strong momentum, very strong bullish one, which indicates that right now the bulls are in charge with the crypto market. So right now here I see two things, and I'm gonna explain why, and you guys are going to find it very reasonable. So right now over here we've got this horizontal rectangle of a resistance. My word is whether Bitcoin goes down from here or whether Bitcoins go to the upside from here. It's both bullish for Bitcoin. You know that the bulls right now are the ones in charge. I believe that if we reject from here, it will also be on the bull side, because it would be a bullish chart pattern even if we reject from here and move to the downside. And that bullish pattern is well known, and you could look it up on Google, and most of the influencers that you probably watch knows about it, which is called, what is it called? The inverse head and shoulders. And as you could totally see, this is the left shoulder pattern. We take this left shoulder, let's actually careful. This is the left shoulder. We take the very same thing over here. You have the head, as you can see. This is the head, and then you've got on the other side potential right shoulder. So we're gonna try to predict the right shoulder before it even happens, which is something that we already have done in the past. And according to the history, Bitcoin's favorite pattern is head and shoulders. If you go through the chart, you're gonna notice it. Even if you go on the daily time frame and look for the history, you would find before Bitcoin forms this large dump, we already even did the same thing. We have formed a head and shoulders pattern. Where is it? Here. This was the left shoulder, this was the head, and this was the right shoulder, this was the neckline, then we broken from below of it. So as you could totally see that Bitcoin loves something called head and shoulders, which is something that we are currently forming in an inverse way on the 4 hours time frame. So right now I am currently bullish on Bitcoin. Except that we are not going to randomly long from here. We're gonna either wait for a breakout from above or from an entry around the price of $60,000, which is a very strong level psychologically, which is also an order block over here and an horizontal level of support. So let's see where the chance would be for the BTC. Moving on to the Ethereum chart, let's see what we could generate. The pattern is no much different. We also have formed a bearish wave over here, and then we've had the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement broken from below with a very strong momentum. I would like to see if there is a reasonable downtrend over here. I could see a parabolic downtrend, which is pretty, it's not that easy to draw it, but here it is, over here, there it is. Easy to spot this trend. If we manage to break from above of it, it's going to be very bullish for the Ethereum. Otherwise, we might go for the very same pattern, because here there is a downtrend that we have broken, and here we have potential inverse head and shoulders as well. But I think if the BTC rise, Ethereum is going to rise as well. Keeping in mind that we are also looking for the Ethereum ETF to start trading. We still have got more to be accepted in the near future. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. Pretty much there could be a good chance. I'm on large longs on Ethereum over here until this resistance over here. And if we manage to break from above of it, we will see a large movement to the upside. Moving on nextly to AUSDT. Plus, I wanted to take a moment to tell you that If Ethereum goes to the upside, be ready for a new season. It's not the altcoin season, it's gonna be the memecoin season. And the coins that are linked to Ethereum are going to pump very hard, like we've seen during the ETF hype, which is coins like DOGEcoin, Pepe, Sheep, Flocky, Bonk, even People, much more. And the next coin to be that is Solana. Maybe we will see Solana ETF, or maybe we will see some rumors about it, and the same thing goes to that. Its meme coins might pump very hard. So what we're gonna look right now, we will see some charts for the XTZ that I wanted to share with you. On the next YouTube video, we will do some analysis about the meme coins, much more. They are linked to Ethereum. So here, XTZ, we are either going to break from below of this rising wedge pattern, or we will break from above of this horizontal level of resistance, and we will go up so high. Time to check the meme coin, Pepe, People. On the daily time frame, we could see that we have retested a very strong level of support. We have filled it over here. We are currently aiming for the 0.618 Fibonacci on the daily time frame. We have also retested the 200 EMA for the first time on the daily time frame. Here there were some very easy longs. Zooming into the 4 hours time frame, we are currently approaching to the first resistance, which is around the 200 EMA. So I don't think that we could long from here. We should wait either shorts from the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, this area, where we might see some shorts in People. So it's still late to buy. Here it was a good place to buy. Now it's not. So People, I don't see any entry. Moving on to the next, which is Pepe USDT. Right now we are currently retesting this resistance over here. I don't know if it could be considered as a trend or not, but yep, we could consider this a trend, which we are currently retesting its resistance and 200 EMA. If we manage to break from above, we should see continuation to the upside. Otherwise, we will see a rejection to the downside, which is less likely to happen, because over here we have set some ready order blocks over here. I think that there could be a very good chance of breaking from above. Things might start becoming bullish, and I personally will long Pepe if we manage to break from above of this 0.618 Fibonacci as well. If this happens, if we see a breakout from above, you will see a post from Cherif with a long signal on Pepe USDT around this entry with this stop loss and these targets. Otherwise, we would be moving on to make a chart for DOGEcoin USDT. Same thing going on with the Doge. Same thing going on with the dog. Here we've got the resistance and possible inverse head and shoulders, except that things are still weak over here. We still didn't break from above it. We need to have a retest on the neckline till I start becoming ready to F all, to enter in all. Ethereum is pumping, which is a good news for these meme coins. That's what I'm looking forward to make. That's what I'm looking forward to be doing. And you guys should be ready. And you guys should hop on the Discord, should hop on the Telegram. Be ready for the website, because on the website we're going to make a part for courses and everything. I want you guys to be ready and concentrate. We have made some losses, we have made some wins, but our main goal is to leave this as a winners. So trust the whole process. I'm with you. and you guys are with me. I appreciate every single one of you for the support that you guys have been providing, for your belief no matter what happened. Soon we are going to reach the victory, so I want each and every single one of you to be concentrating with me and taking a break. Join the links on the description. You will find a link of a Discord, and you will find the link of a Telegram and the website. And if you would like to copy my trades, you're gonna find the referral link of the BingX. And let's do this, guys. Let's concentrate. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because we're gonna do some live streams, and I wanna see you guys motivated enough and ready for this war that we're gonna have. The next couple of years are going to be full of opportunities, whether if the market is going up, which is most likely going up, or if it's going down. Everything is tradable, so let's try to not miss out on opportunities and to do less mistakes. Just keep in mind as a trader that the mistakes are always there, and you should be careful. You should accept them in order to defeat them. Alright? So I will see you guys on the next live stream or on the next YouTube video, and I will see you guys as a winners, hopefully. Have a good day.